Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, we just had a big storm, so what we're going to do is load up the pallet with my chainsaw and gas, and we're going to go chop up the tree that fell down in the backyard. Alright, so here's our project tonight. So we're gonna get this chopped up nicely, and there's the rest of the tree. We're gonna cut her up probably in 3 or 4 foot sections. We're gonna put her out by the road, and maybe somebody can use it for firewood. It is softwood, but some people will burn it. Well, this chain's as dull as anything, so I'm going to install a new chain. Pick this up off Amazon. So let's just speed things up a little. And we got the new shiny chain on, so let's give her a try. I'd say that's why it snapped. It's half rotten in the center. I would say I was right. Just like soil in there. And we've got some wood on there. That's actually a lot heavier than what it looks, but the tractor lifted it no problem. I'm actually going to put a little bit more on there. We get our first little stack out there, so we're gonna keep going to get the backyard all nice and cleaned up. And we've got a remainder of the big chunks all stacked on the pallet, and we're gonna take the rest out by the road over there, and hopefully somebody can use it this winter. And the rest is gonna go to the dump. It's just branches, twigs, and whatnot. Anyways, just a little excuse to get the old John Deere 870 out to play with it and try the new pallet lift on the rear. Comes in handy, saves a lot of lugging and using a wheelbarrow. So there's going to be lots more videos of the old John Deere 870, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments, suggestions, dislikes, or stuff that you actually want to see done with the tractor, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Take care.